Hi, I'm Amy with WTI. These Smartcakes have really saved the day for me. I've been really trying to watch my carbs, and these cakes really satisfy the sweet cravings that I have. And it's so yummy. In the box, there is going to be 8 packages for a total of 16 individual Smartcakes. So be aware of that. Each of these packages will have 2 cakes in them a piece. And I just think they are the perfect size. It's just enough to satisfy that craving. And I really like how it's sweetened with stevia. And I love how in 2 Smartcakes, you get 5 grams of fiber and 4 grams of protein with no sugar. And you can get different flavored cakes too. They have a raspberry cream, they've got a chocolate. There's quite a few that you can choose from. It's nice just to sit and have some guilt-free dessert with a nice hot cup of tea. If you love the taste of lemon cake and you're trying to watch your carbs, this right here is a game changer. You can still have your cake and eat it too. And that's my point of view.